Abhi, listen carefully. Given if the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Given class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Frequency is 5, x 30, 15, 5, y 5. Here we have to find out the values of x and y. Listen, given this table, class interval and frequency. We have to find out the cumulative frequency to find the median of the median of the given data. So 0 to 10, up to 0 to 10, up to 10th interval we have 5 numbers. Let us suppose the frequency is 5. Cumulative frequency is adding all the intervals. Cumulative frequency is nothing but up to 10 intervals we have 5 numbers as a frequency, and up to 20 we have 5 plus x, and up to 30 25 plus x, and up to 40 40 plus x. Add first interval is in the first up to 10 the value is as it is. After that we have to add the next interval 5 plus x. 5 plus x plus 20, 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15, 40 plus x, and 40 plus x plus y, and 45 plus x plus y. This is the final total frequency of the given data. That means sum of all these frequencies we get n equal to 45 plus x plus y. N is nothing but sigma fi. Sigma fi. This is f. So this is sigma fi. Sigma fi equal to 45 plus x plus y. Now we have to find out the values of x and y. Given information is median of 60 observations is 28.5. Median of 60 observations. That means the given frequency n equal to 60. The total observations, how many observations are there? N equal to 60. So median 28.5 is given and n equal to 60. From the table we got sigma fi, that is nothing but n equal to 45 plus x plus y, but given from the given information n equal to 60. So what happens? 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. So x plus y equal to, transpose this one, 60 minus 5, and x plus y equal to 50. Let us not now to find out the median of the data. We have some to find out the median of the data. We need to calculate the cumulative frequency. So we done all the we did already. Now let us suppose that the formula of the median equal to what? M equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So here L is nothing but the lower interval of the lower boundary of the median class. What is median class? We have to find out the median class. Do the n by 2. N by 2 equal to 60 by 2 equal to 30. Where is the 30? The 30 should be in this interval, because after that we have 40 plus x, that means above 40. The frequency up to 40 we have 40 members. So 30 is in this interval 20 to 30. So what is the median class? 20 to 30. So in this interval, frequency is calculated as f, denoted as f, and the cumulative frequency above the median class is denoted as cf. Median class is 20 to 30. So what is lower boundary? 20. So L equal to what? 20. In a similar way, frequency of the median class F is nothing but frequency of the median class F equal to 20. H is the length of the class interval. How to find out how we will find the H? Subtract lower boundary from higher boundary. That means 10 minus 0, 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. 60 minus 50, 10. So the length of the interval is 10. So length of the class interval is 10. It is denoted by h. H is the length of the interval or size of the interval. H equal to 10. CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous cumulative frequency of the previous class of the median class. This is the median class. The previous interval, what is the previous interval? 10 to 20. For this, what is cumulative frequency? 5 plus x. This is denoted by CF. Let us calculate the median. Median is given as 28.5. What is the formula? M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, here we have all the values. Substitute all the values. Now you got 28.5 equal to 20 minus 30 minus 5 plus x by 20 into 10. Here we cancel these two. Calculate all these things. Simplify. LCM take 20 plus 30 minus 5 minus x minus of plus 5 minus 5 and minus of plus x minus x. So take LCM 40 plus 30 minus here 20 into 2 40 plus as it is 30 minus 5 minus x by 2. Cross multiply these two, we get 57. 65 minus x, calculate 70 minus 5 65. So 65 minus x is transpose this, x minus x becomes 12 plus x and 57 becomes minus 57. X is equal to 8. Now we have x plus y equal to 15. So x is equal to, substitute x value, 8 plus y equal to 15. Y equal to 15 minus 8. Y equal to 7. Now the values of x and y are 8 and 7. That's all. Okay.